G'day YouTube, it's Turbo Tristan here, and in this video you're going to see Hubert's very unique Honda CRX Del Sol with an EK front swap. Now, I saw this car just at the local shopping centre last week, so I posted a photo up on social media to try and track him down because it's a very interesting car. He's a little bit camera shy, so he's allowed us to do a walk around video and show you guys what he's done. It's very neat, very tidy, pearl white, with some very tasteful mods. So what a cool car, hope you like it. So this one comes with the infamous B16A2 twin cam VTEC, very tidy. He's done the refinish of the wrinkle paint on the rocker cover, cold air intake. Like I said, a very tasteful car. Check out that pearl in the paint. You can't even see that these guards were cut and joined to fit the EK front end on this Del Sol. Everything, including the bonnet, has been modified and shortened, narrowed, if you will, so it'll fit. And we've got the classic Anki rims with some very fat tires on the back. Look at that. They would grip, that's for sure. Honda S2000 seats. So we're told that the number plate means hope in Japanese, so if any experts below can let us know if that's true or not. Hopefully it doesn't say anything rude, but pretty cool plates. Got the JDM plates. Just an awesome car. I have to get me one of these one day. Check out all the panel gaps and everything, it looks awesome. Perfect job. I've seen a lot of EG front end swaps on these, but not an EK, so excellent. Kind of matches the shape of the car better too, being that the Del Sol had the round lights. So take note people, that's how you do it.